Right, so today I'll be showing you how to connect your Sony XM6 headphones to a Windows PC or laptop via a cable. So you actually have a cable that comes in the packaging of your Sony headphones, right? So we have 3.5 millimeter headphone jacks on both sides. And then the headphones also come with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, all right? So hope you can catch that right there. There you go. So you can actually connect uh, the headphones to the computer via a cable. Now, the first thing you need to do is turn off the headphones. You actually do not need the headphones to be turned on to connect them via a cable to any device, whether it's a computer or a phone. So make sure the headphones are off, and then you want to grab your cable and connect one end to the headphone jack on your laptop or your PC. Now for me, mine is right here. And usually the headphone jack is going to have a headphones icon next to it. All right. So we just try and make it visible. Not sure you can see that. Let's see. That one right there. Okay. So plug it in. I think everybody knows what a headphone jack looks like. So plug it in like that. And then now you can plug the other end of that cable into the headphone jack on the headphones like that. Make sure it goes all the way in just like that. And then now you're good to go. So now on your computer, if you check the sound settings, you should notice that if you click on that and then click on the arrow at the end, you can see you should be connected to headphones. So you can see right there, it says headphones. And if we find some audio to play, let's say you want to play some music or a YouTube video, the sound will come from the headphones, all right? So that is basically how to do that. And keep in mind that this will not use your battery of your headphones. It's not going to use any features that you normally use as smart features. You don't get noise cancelling or ambient mode. This is just connecting for pure sound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.